game I'm playing right now, and I need that's no fist of Pangela, and then that's another bit of Pangela, because it's something I'm basically review. Here we go. Higher or lower. I don't even know what this game is. Facelift has Angry Birds has higher. Yeah! iPhone 6s versus Angry Birds. Yeah! Therapy has what? 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 Alright, play again. Oh, higher, much higher. So, screw you, cat. Terrorism? Way lower. Yeah, I knew it. Blood diamond or comic book? What the heck? What the heck? Ethan or Toyota? You're much lower. Much lower. Really, whatever crap that is, that's higher. Yeah. I can't. Yes, I got 3 now. Cheeky. Nine. Oh my god. That's, we might have such that. 18. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm doing good at this. My goodness. Alright, come on. Higher, that's definitely higher. What's screw it. Oh, I've seen that show. I love it. Crap. Tons higher. Yeah, definitely. Robert. Higher. Definitely higher. Like a person has much more judo. Alright, definitely higher. What? The heck? Definitely higher. Yeah. My high score is 3. Like, way higher. Like, it was way higher. Sting. Lower. Yes, I got 4 now. Yes! I have 5 now! Come on. 5 is much higher. What?
I was up by only like 24 million, guys.
Liam. Bruno Mars is much more. No one cares about Jesus these days. Yeah. Two?
Yay.
Higher. Rome is much higher. Cat, I swear to God, if I see you again, I'll bang the computer screen in my butthole. Much higher. What that lady is doing. Christianity or Toyota? Christianity. Yeah, these days no one cares about Christianity. Screw you. God. Israel is much higher. Yeah. I'm gonna be smart with this. There will be blood or Israel. There will be blood. No one cares about Israel. People. No offense is real. And Jesus, thank God. I don't know what the crap both of these are, but I'm just gonna say this one's low because I don't care about it. Heck, no offense. I'm not saying no offense, I don't even care. Judaism has higher. Higher. Huh, screw you, Judaism. No offense. Again, autism. I hate Disney. Higher. No one cares about Disney. Much lower. Whoa, I was up by that there. Your score, you scored. The X Factor. This is much higher. Yeah. Easter, higher. Yeah. Higher, much higher. What? Oh, screw you. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is this? I missed the donkey completely.
People love beer these days. Love beer. What? Well, I like beer.
Some of it. Piano. Yeah, I love you, piano. Saturn is much higher. People are interested in Saturn these days. Abraham Lincoln, yeah, higher. Yes, these days no one cares about Abraham Lincoln. These days people are going to Donald Trump, not Obama. Yeah. Much higher. Yeah. Vin Diesel, much higher. I got three now. United Kingdom, higher. Lower. Yeah. Where's Michael? Higher. Yeah. There's five now. I'm cool as higher. Yes, guys. 5-star hotels. Higher. What? My God. No one cares about diseases anymore. No one cares about diseases. No one cares about you, Mother Teresa. Yeah. Higher! I already saw it with this. Yeah. If you see something you've already seen, Kim Kardashian and much more. Higher. Yeah. Lower. Much lower. Much lower. Steven Spielberg is higher. Much higher. I got 6 now. I don't even know who he is. Yes! 7! Rolex. Higher. Yes. Oh, guys, I've already saw this. No. Lower. Higher. Yes, I have 10! Puberty. Lower. Yes, guys, yes! Idea? Yes, higher. Yes! Adele, whatever. Black Eyed Peas. Yes! General Electric. Alright. Yes, guys! Saxophone. Lower. Yes! 15! God. Daisy, I swear. Lower. Yeah, like I said, lower. Mona Lisa. No one cares about Mona Lisa. Oh, people do care about Mona Lisa. My God. Why do people look up penis? Alright. Yeah, people like penis better than Mona Lisa. You know, people like penis better than Mona Lisa. Lovers. Yes. Yes. People like penis. Chris Christ, the Redeemer. No one cares about him. Yeah, no one cares about him. But Bart Simpson people love more than him. Yes, people love Bart Simpson more than Chris the Redeemer. Cheeky and I'm doing pretty good, guys. I just want to get a bit higher. I just want to get a big fat 10 for my last score. Great leap forward. No, lower. People don't like that. Yeah. I have 10. People Madonna. Yeah, people like Madonna. Yeah, people like Madonna. Evil is lower. Yes, guys, I'm smart. For once, my brain is not stupid. Yes! Yes! What the heck? No, higher. Yes, guys, yes. Higher! Yes! Yes! The Supremes. Lower. Yes! What the heck? I don't know what the heck it is, but it's higher. Yes, guys. 20 is my score. Poke! It's higher. What's higher? Yes. Star much higher. Yes! Alright, I'm going to end this video here, guys. I love this film. I'm just going to say lower. Yeah. I'm going to end this video here, guys. I will see you both in the